5 ಲೋಟಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅಳತೆಯ ನೀರನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿಸಿ ಲೋಹದಿಂದ ಬಡಿದಾಗ ನೀರು ಮತ್ತು ಗಾಳಿಯ ಪರಿಮಾಣ ಬದಲಾದಂತೆ ಶಬ್ದ ಉಂಟಾಗುವಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಗಾಳಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದಂತೆ ಶಬ್ದವೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚುತ್ತದೆ.
ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಕಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾರೇ ಸುರೇಶ.
ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ದೂರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ.
ಹೌದು ಮಾರ.
ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್
You add water. It becomes a clear solution. Clear solution of barium chloride Now sodium sulfate it is. Again it is a clear solution. Got? This is sodium sulfate and this is barium chloride. Now double displacement reaction is going on. Any one of this you add. This turn to white in color. White solution it is. If you keep without disturbing it, undisturbed condition, you will get the test tube in this way. So that all white color one, this is settled down in the test tube and a clear solution is formed above the settled particles. So settled one we call it as precipitate, which is undissolved in solution. Undissolved substances which settles down in the test tube, we call it as a precipitate, and the process is precipitation reaction. So what is precipitation? In the chemical reaction, when the precipitate is forming, we call the reaction as precipitate reaction. Understood? So this one now.